Struggling with your Mini-DOGE Miner? We fixed this last episode, and today we're filling this missing spot. Our 6-pin PCIe connectors came in, and this is a common issue with the Mini-DOGE miners. And this is the issue. We can see it on the back where the power supply plugs in. The plastic connector is burned up a little bit. So let's replace it. Start by unscrewing the back 4 screws. Then the back casing should be able to be lifted off. But before taking out the board, we'll need to unscrew the fans that are holding it in place. Once you have the screws holding the fans into place, you should be able to push them and the board will slide right out. You can see here that there are railings on the side of the casing. That's where the board sits. Now let's go ahead and remove the plastic connector. For this, I'm just using a little bit of pliers to pull it off. Note here that I'm only removing the plastic connector and leaving the 6 pins still connected to the board. With the new connector on, I just kind of crimp it into place, making sure that the pins are sticking at least halfway through. Now we can start reassembling the miner, putting the fans in first and allowing the circuit board to go into the grooves on the case. Screw everything back in, and now we're ready to test. In the miner room, we got the ant rack set up and some of the professional miners. Make sure you guys keep an eye out for the ant rack tutorial. But the reason we're in the miner room is to look for an Ethernet cable. So let's go ahead and grab that. And then we can head on upstairs. And now we can go ahead and test this bad boy. Let's slide them into place. Plug that Ethernet in. And now the 6-pin PCIe connector. And we'll let it go through the initializing phase, and we should see this light turn green any minute now.